Hello everyone, my video today is about GT Bank. I mean that popular GT Bank that is regarded as one of the biggest new generation banks in Nigeria. There had been lots of complaints from customers of this bank involving situations where monies were illegally deducted or freezed for some flimsy excuses. In fact, in some cases, they take monies out of customers' account without any concrete reason, while sometimes they will tell you that they can't recover your money. Now let's go back to the main reason why I'm doing this video. Let me give you a little breakdown on some instances where funds were illegally moved from accounts belonging to GT Bank customers. In 2019, the Federal Capital Territory High Court ordered Guarantee Trust Bank PLC to reverse funds illegally deducted from the accounts of one of its customers, Universal Agricultural Empowerment and Development Initiative, UNAEDI. The court ordered the bank to refund 412,000 naira, another $3,123, and 4,224,259 naira to the company's account. The court also ordered the bank to pay additional 100,000 naira as damages to the company. Similarly, another customer, one Toyin Akinlabi, an Ogun State resident, disclosed that 72,000 naira left her Guarantee Trust Bank account without her authorization, and the bank was unable to recover it. Furthermore, sometimes in April this year, 2025, another customer, Hamid Ariyo, said GT Bank couldn't explain how 2.6 million naira vanished from his account without authorization. I mean, how is that even possible? Again, one Aisha Bilayi, a resident of Kaduna State, also couldn't explain how 600,000 naira vanished from her account, and 1 month later, another 1 million naira was also deducted without authorization, even though her daily limit was 100,000 naira. All these are questions begging for answers from GT Bank. I'm doing this video to create awareness, especially for customers of GT Bank. A student of ABU Zaria, one Musa Umar, based in Zaria, said GT Bank took 351,000 naira from his account after trading with a client. I personally visited the bank, located in GRA PZ Zaria. They couldn't explain how the money disappeared. I met the customer care, and according to him, the money was taken by Wema Bank. But I laughed and asked, how could Wema Bank take monies that doesn't belong to them? Now he later told me that the account has been frozen, and he gave me another flimsy excuse. I demanded to see the manager, but I guess the guy was scared.
He is a beneficiary of a system glitch. Understand what?
System glitch, that means yes. It wasn't intentional, it was from your place, right?
He's a secondary beneficiary. Let's say you had a business with him, and you are a beneficiary of system glitch from another bank.
Yeah.
Let's say from First Bank. The money is not yours.
Just explain to me the layman's language.
That's what I want to. I'm trying to explain to you. You are a beneficiary of, you know, all those system glitch transfers that you might just be sitting down, then you see money will just enter your. So it was from which one? Wema. Thank you, Wema. So she's Wema's bank customer.
Okay.
So I don't know. She became a beneficiary of a system glitch from Wema Bank.
What I'm trying to
let's say you are a First Bank customer. So there was an error from First Bank's account, their own main account. So they were now like sending money to people. Understand? It normally happens.
Okay.
So they send that amount of money to her, and then she now transferred the money from that her account to that.
Okay.
She's a businesswoman. So they had a business deal with my guy here. She now transferred that particular amount of money. She transferred it to me. Some part of it for his own coin that he sent her. So after reconciliation, this customer was the beneficiary of system glitch. Understand? So phone for him.
But wait. Like in your bank, even if there is like a problem with system glitch, is it possible for a specific amount of money to be withdrawn without somebody's consent?
301,000.
Can we see the manager? Because this thing has been dragging for a long time. You understand? Let's just get over this. Because me, it doesn't make any sense. Unfortunately, before I left the bank, another customer came with a similar complaint. One Wealth Efosa also visited the same branch of GT Bank to report the illegal debit of over 350,000 naira from his account. But the customer care guy said they can't do anything about it. In fact, he even showed me a letter that they sent to him. And just on Thursday, May 1st, 2025, I came across a video where Abuja-based popular human rights activist, Very Dark Man, informed the public that GT Bank had been taking money from his biological mother's salary account. They claimed that she took loans, even though she denied taking any loan. How is that even possible? How can you take money from my account, without any concrete reason? So therefore, my advice to all customers of GT Bank is to be very, very careful, because I believe there could be some fraudsters in the bank that can easily get access to people's accounts, thereby defrauding them of their hard-earned monies. What they say is enough for the wise. If I were in your shoes, man, I would leave GT Bank before it's too late. There are so many other good banks out there. So if you've had a similar experience with GT Bank or any other bank, please drop a comment and tag GT Bank.